This know-how video discusses how to perform a single backup set rebuild for legacy backup set that was created in version 6 if the client application is not upgraded and is still running version 6 AhsayOBM or AhsayACB, but the backup server is already upgraded from version 6 to version 7 or above. To run a single backup set rebuild, follow these steps. Log in to the AhsayCB's web console. Select Users, Groups, and Policies. Under Backup User, click the Backup account. Select the backup set, then the corresponding backup set. Select Destination, then the Rebuild button beside the destination storage. To run a user rebuild for a single or multiple users, follow these steps. Log in to the AhsayCB's web console. Select Users, Groups, and Policies. Under Backup User, tick the checkbox beside the backup account or accounts that you would like to perform a backup set rebuild for. Click the Rebuild Storage Statistic button. Take note, a backup set rebuild can only be started when there's no backup job running on the corresponding backup set and vice versa. The time taken to complete a rebuild depends on a number of factors, such as the number of files or folders in the backup set or sets, the number of backup sets, the hardware specifications of your AhsayCBS server, such as the disk I/O and CPU performance, and if there are other resource-intensive jobs running. To check the progress of a backup set rebuild, under Monitoring, select Backup or Restore Logs. Click Activities Log. When the rebuild job is completed, the following log entry can be found.